Hey everybody, Mr. Burns here. Week 3 for animal behavior. If you haven't noticed up until now, kind of wear a different hat every week with our introduction video. Silly hats. The first week it happened randomly. There was a hat on this dresser here next to me that was from an old costume, and I just put it on to be silly. And then I was like, I should just do that each week. So this week's kind of a challenge one. This hat I got on a family vacation when we went to go see a sporting event a few years ago. And this hat is a copy of a hat in a jersey that is worn by an athlete that wins a particular award in this event. So, shout out to anybody that can send me a message identifying the event and the award for the person wearing a jersey that looks like this, white with the red polka dots. I'd love to see if anybody can find it. It's a cool event. This week's work is going to be kind of a put it together week. We're going to be spending a good chunk of your time going over your old assignments. And I want you to carefully go over those because I'm going to ask you to look at what you've submitted compared to what I was looking for. For a lot of the formative work in particular, you earned credit for having made a complete submission, like for having tried it, but that doesn't mean that you were actually doing it correctly or that you were using these ideas correctly. So this week's going to be about kind of putting some ideas back together, making sure people are ready to move forward in this course using some of these core skills. Okay, so we have that review video. That's going to take a while to do. There's a student survey that is due by Friday. And then there's a summative assessment that's going to be due on Friday where you're actually putting together the work that we reviewed at the beginning of the week. Should be a pretty light week, but what I really want you to do is to take the time to focus carefully on the work you've already done and compare it to see if it's really matching what I want you to be doing. If you have questions, as always, message me on Schoology and let me know, and message me if you can figure out what this hat's from. All right, bye.